My name is Tony Morello. This is my wife, Rita Morello. Live here in New Bern. We've been here together since 2014. Prior to the hurricane, we were going to Marietta, Georgia for a family reunion. We knew the hurricane was coming, but didn't know how bad it was going to be. Besides seeing what was on television.
It took us 3 days to get back.
Roads were blocked, flooded, pretty bad. This area is surrounded by water. Rivers are all the way around us. Flood water was 30 inches of flood in the house.
Some of the stuff that was in the bedroom was floated to the living room.
The whole area was devastated. We lost all our furniture, all ended up in the dumpster. The only clothes we had was in our suitcase from Georgia. It took a lot. Everything else is gone. We have flood insurance. We contacted our insurance company.
We got back on Friday. He met us on Saturday. He went through every room and took pictures and under the house and said that we should get that amount of money.
But he was thorough.
We didn't really know what we'd really lost, and we didn't know what to do. And he sort of calmed us down and said that things would be better.
Without him, it would have been a harder road. We got the money pretty quickly, right?
It ended up about 3 weeks.
I couldn't imagine us being without it, but yet we know people that didn't have it. And they're in a different place in this world right now. Depending on a lot of volunteers to help them, doing the minimum amount of work, and not getting what they want because they don't have the insurance. They didn't have the insurance. It's paying for the repairs. We would have been out on the street right now if it wasn't for our flood insurance.
You're
retired. I worked for Honeywell for 40 years.
I was a hairdresser for 32 years.
We would recommend anyone that lives in an area that's prone to flooding to get the flood insurance. It's $1 well spent. There's a light at the end of the tunnel.